Haka Jingelang jongki Kynhun Myntri ka belalong menta ka sengi ka khatnyo terik ukala lengkon. Laya thir sani bha halor ban Pynjlan ya karta Thung na ka laipo arsnem sya ka laip nyosnem karta ya kani laya thu do Myntri ka kampo ying ka jela uba lakmen rumboi. Haba ikran bat kilat pathai khubor uba rumboi laya thu baka Jingelang jong ka Kynhun Myntri kilaya kran ya kamat ka bayde bakarta Thung bat labu bade ban Pynjlan na laipo arsnem sya laip nyosnem. Ya kani la ai jingmut ban Pynjlan da sansnem henre halor kani ka benta na kaliang ka Kynhun Myntri kam patla ban rai namar baka dangdon kam ka jingathir yaki katu kat ne ke benta. Ubarem boy ulo ongru bahaka baydei berkarta Thung ki briu ki bandrung kam haki kam pulen home guard forest guard namar bagi kini hab bandan kam yeki briu ki berang biang kerta dai halor kane la hab bandra biang syakawai pa ka Jingelang juga Kynhun Myntri ban sashim ya karai.
To this item which agenda which the cabinet has approved, the government also has deliberated upon the extending of the age limit for entry into the government service, where there is a proposal that will increase from 32, from 37 to 32 plus 5, 37. But this could not be have been deferred because there is a deliberation about this armed force. Because as we know, a uniformed personnel for police, for excise, and for civil defense and home guard, and also for the entry into the forest guard of the forest department. Because in this uniform personnel, the training is needed and more of a physical thing is needed. So that's why, because there is a debate on that issue, so we defer it, but the government, the cabinet will take a foundation in these coming days.